No. Well, today he was crying and oh, you know. How do you know? You're watching. He says he's watching you. Should Jake be better? Jake be better. Jake, tell me you'll be better. Say, I'll be better.
I'll be better.
Good. Okay. Are you watching every day? Oh, he watches every day. Do you watch him at school too?
Huh?
He watches you at school.
Yes.
Okay. Well, we're excited to have Christmas.
What about talk to him? Was he?
Where are you?
Yeah. Talk to Sam.
North Pole.
North Pole.
He's in North Pole.
What about
What's it like at North Pole?
Paul the reindeer.
This is cold. This is very cold and snowy.
Snow?
Oh, he has to go feed. Okay, well, bye-bye. He has to feed the reindeer. Yeah, I'll tell Jake. Jake, will you be good?
Yes.
Jake says yes. Oh, Jake, do you promise to be good?
Yes.
He promises. Oh, one more. Will you listen to your mommy and daddy?
Yes.
Jake said yes. Okay. Thank you, Santa. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He's eating now.